Jigsaw Planet is another free resource. You can create a free logon if you need. If they don't have the pictures you want, you can download from the internet, save it to your computer as an image, and then upload it in this feature called Create Album. So these are the ones that I have made. These were specific images a client wanted that they didn't have. So it's like a Minecraft game or a Roblox game. So there wouldn't be very many images of this just in this particular website's data bank. Or the game is so new, this Om Nom Run, this is a really new game. So, or Tag with Ryan, that's a new game. So we took pictures off the internet and made our own puzzle. But I'm just going to walk you through Spider-Man. As you can see how many options come up. There's several pages with remote access. Again, the client can start to learn how to navigate a website, changing pages, selecting puzzles. So let's say your client really wants this Spider-Verse puzzle and it's 252. That might be a little time consuming. So right here, the Play As built-in feature, there are preset numbers of pieces, so you can make it as small as you want. If you need to make it smaller, you can come to custom and go all the way down to 6 or even 4 pieces. You can change the shape of the puzzle to make it easier or harder. And then another great thing to look at before you let the client play independently is to make sure this is unchecked. If it's checked, it means that the puzzle pieces have been rotated and they would have to unrotate or rotate to the correct orientation for the puzzle to fit. And that can be extra challenging. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to do 6 pieces. Another great figure or feature is this little ghost, and it puts the hint image, again, to increase difficulty. You could remove it. You can organize, arrange the puzzle pieces so it's easy for the client to see what's available. And then the other thing I really like is it makes this great noise, which is really quite satisfying and reinforcing. So when the pieces fit together, it makes a click. That's how you know they got it. It does not have to be lined up on that image for it to work. That can be a sticking point for some clients that get a little stuck or hyper-focused on that. And then when you finish the puzzle, celebration music, and also a great indicator that the activity is over and you can just switch back in your tabs